Hello learners, I welcome you once again to this channel where we are going to discuss another problem from the previous year's question of JEE main exam. So in this particular question, which is from the topic of quadratic equation, we have a quadratic equation which is given by x square minus x plus 2 equal to 0. So if alpha and beta be the roots of this quadratic equation with the imaginary part of alpha is greater than the imaginary part of beta, then we have to find the value of alpha to the power 6 plus alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 minus 5 alpha square. So here if alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, then by the relation between the roots and the coefficient, so we have an alpha plus beta, it is the sum of roots, so this is equal to minus coefficient of x, then this whole thing divided by coefficient of x square. So this is equal to minus of, so coefficient of x, so here there is no number, that means the coefficient is minus 1, then by coefficient of x square. So again here there is no number, that means the coefficient is 1. So negative of a negative is 1, so 1 divided by 1 is 1. So this is the sum of alpha and beta. So similarly, the product alpha beta, so this is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square, so that is 2. Then since alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, and when alpha should satisfy this equation, so alpha beta satisfies 1. So therefore if we take alpha, I mean alpha square minus alpha plus 2, so this will be 0. So from here alpha square is equal to alpha, so you transfer it to this side, so minus 2. So let us just mark this. Similarly, if we substitute beta in the given equation, so we'll have in the same form, beta square will be beta minus 2. So next alpha to the power 4, because we need this also, so alpha to the power 4 will be alpha square, so alpha square is alpha minus 2, so this is square. If we expand this, so this is of the form e minus b whole thing square, that is first term minus second term whole thing square, so this is equal to square of first term, then minus 2, then the product of these two term, which is ab, plus the square of the second term, so which is b square. So here also square of the first term is alpha, then minus 2, and the product of this is 2 alpha, so multiply with 2 will be 4 alpha plus the square of the second term, that is 2, which is 4. So again if we substitute alpha square, which is alpha minus 2, so minus 4 alpha plus 4, if we combine, so minus 2 and 4 is 2, and alpha minus 4 alpha is minus 3 alpha. So in the same way, since we need beta also, then similarly beta to the power 4 is equal to 2 minus 3 beta. Last we need alpha to the power 6, so this is same as alpha to the power 4 multiply with alpha square, so alpha to the power 4 is 2 minus 3 alpha, then alpha square is alpha minus 2. So this is same as if we expand 2 multiply by the second factor, that is alpha minus 2, and second term of first factor, that is 3 minus 3 alpha multiply with the second factor, alpha minus 2. So if we expand this, so this will be 2 alpha minus 4 minus 3 alpha square, then plus 6 alpha. So this is 8 alpha. If we combine alpha, then minus 4, then minus 3. So again alpha square is alpha minus 2. So this is equal to 8 alpha minus 4 minus 3 alpha plus 6. So if we combine, minus 4 plus 6 is 2, then alpha 8 alpha minus 3 alpha, so this is 5 alpha. So this is alpha to the power 6. So the value of the expression which we need to find is alpha to the power 6 plus alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 minus 5 alpha square. So now if we substitute, so alpha to the power 6 is 2 plus 5 alpha plus alpha to the power 4, which is 2 minus 3 alpha plus beta to the power 4, which is 2 minus 3 beta, then minus 5 alpha square is alpha minus 2. So if we combine, so this 3 2's, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6 plus 5 alpha, then minus, so we'll combine this, so minus 3, then alpha plus beta if we combine these two. So last we have minus 5 alpha, then plus 10, so minus 5 alpha with plus 5 alpha is 0, so we have 6, and then minus 3, then alpha plus beta is 1, then plus 10, so we have 6 minus 3 plus 10, so which is equal to 3 plus 10, so this whole thing is equal to 13. So therefore alpha to the power 6 plus alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 minus 5 alpha square is equal to 13.